Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you've purchased a secondhand iPhone only to find it is iCloud locked to the previous owner, it can be an incredibly frustrating situation that leaves you stuck on the iPhone locked to owner screen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove iCloud activation on any iPhone without the previous owner. Method 1 is to try the official approach by factory resetting the iPhone using iTunes or Finder on a computer. To do this, you must manually put your device into recovery mode. Once connected to your PC or Mac, select the Restore option to download the latest iOS firmware and wipe the device clean. However, you must keep in mind that this official method typically only works to bypass the lock if Find My iPhone was turned off beforehand. If it is active, iTunes will block the process and demand the previous owner's Apple ID password to proceed. Method 2 involves using a professional tool like PassFab iPhone Unlock, which is specifically designed to bypass the iCloud activation lock without needing the original credentials. First, download and install the software on your computer, launch the program, and select the Remove iCloud Activation Lock feature before connecting your locked iPhone via USB. The software will provide clear, step-by-step pictorial guides to help you put your specific model into DFU mode. Once detected, the program initiates an automated jailbreak process that typically takes around 8 minutes to complete. Follow the prompts to enter DFU mode once more so PassFab can finalize the removal of the activation lock. Within a few minutes, your iPhone will reboot with the lock completely removed, allowing you to bypass the activation screen, set up the device as new, and sign in with your own fresh Apple ID. If this tutorial helped you regain access to your phone, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tech solutions.